Welcome back, everybody. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you're having good luck with your gardening and all of your projects. And without further ado, let's get to today's project. So this is a part 2 video of the electric fence / electronic gates. So I guess I'll show you some of the things we've done here. So we'll start with the gate. So originally the gate had opened inward, but I don't like that because the wind typically blows to the north here or to the northeast. And also the cattle would be able to push the gate in to get inside the property once I'm done with the fence to keep them out. So we have it open up outward. And I put a couple of pieces of steel on the end here because I cut twice and measured once when I was putting these posts in the ground. So I just got some scrap metal welded together here, and then the chain that was used as the latch, I turned that into a solid object by welding the links together. And that way the gate will not go past this post here. And there we go. So that should hold it tight there, so when it's really windy out it won't push through, and then the cows, obviously, if they're pushing against this or leaning against it, they're not going to push through it. And we have the entire, well, not the entire, there's still a little bit more to go on the south side as far regarding the electric fence. But I got the grounding rods pounded into the ground here. And originally what I was using was a T-post pounder, but you know, as you can see, there's a lot of rocks here. So every couple of inches, there's big rocks in the ground. So we got a jackhammer, full-size jackhammer, and it took me less than 2 minutes to pound all 3 of these 6-foot rods into the ground. So that was awesome. I just threw a generator in the back of my truck, stood up in the back of my truck in the bed so I could get some height, and then just set the jackhammer on these, and they just went right in the ground. I didn't have to push or anything. All I had to do was hold the jackhammer straight up and down and pounded those puppies right in. So we do have a functional electric fence now, so this does zap. And it works pretty good. And even the puppy was out here, and she, you know, at first I was like, stay away, stay away. She won't listen, won't listen, won't listen. And well, she found out. She messed around and she found out this sucker bites. So she got zapped a little bit. She's fine. It didn't hurt her, just scared her. So she's not over here with me right now. I think she's waiting for lunch because I'm late for lunch. But we got this all installed all the way down to the corner. So that would be the east corner of the property. We're going to go probably another 50 feet that way and then just cut straight across rather than doing the entire property, because that would take the rest of my life to do, because it's about a mile all the way around. And I'd have to run 3 miles of cable because we're doing 3 rows, and that would just take forever. Plus we have to cut all the grass, all the weeds, all the trees out of the way. So we're gonna go down about 50 feet and then just go straight across over to where the house build is. We went about 50 feet past the front of the yard with the fence over there, and same with the northeast corner over there as well. So I'm gonna get working on one of those corners right after lunch today, and see if we can get some more progress done on this to keep the freezer monsters at bay, because they come in here and they ruin everything. Oh my goodness. Blah. I can't do anything in the garden right now because the cows will go in there and destroy it. So once the electric fence is up, then we can go full bore on the aquaponics garden and get that expanded and completed. I'm sure the fish will be happy. They've been cooped up in their tank for about a year now. So thank you guys for tuning in. If you have any questions or comments, pop those in below and give us a thumbs up. And as always, keep building and try to be good to each other. Some of us aren't here for very long, and a little bit of kindness will go a long ways. So God bless you all, and peace. Here's the horrible view of the Sierra Vista Mountains. A little bit of snow left up there.